Welcome to Barcelona. Today we're diving deep into one of Europe's most iconic cities, but not where the typical tourist guidebook will take you. Join me as I challenge myself to uncover Barcelona's hidden gems that even the locals know less about. From secret viewpoints to tucked-away cafes and art-filled streets, get ready to experience Barcelona like never before. Let's see what secrets this city has in store for us in 2024. In this video, we'll discover some of Barcelona's best-kept secrets, showcasing the city's hidden gems away from the tourist crowds. Many travelers miss out on the true essence of Barcelona by only visiting popular attractions. They follow the same old guidebooks and wander around La Rambla, Gothic Quarter, and Barceloneta, thinking they've seen it all. But there's so much more to this city than what meets the eye. By visiting the same old spots, you're likely to end up with a generic, unauthentic experience. That's why this video is all about digging deeper, venturing further, and unearthing the real spirit of Barcelona. It's time to break free from the shackles of tourist traps and embark on a journey to discover the authentic charm of this captivating city. Imagine yourself strolling through quaint alleys, stumbling upon hidden plazas, and discovering secret viewpoints that offer breathtaking panoramas of the city. That's what this video promises to deliver, an insider's guide to the real Barcelona, untainted by the crowds and commercialization. Get ready to fall in love with this enchanting city all over again. First up, Bunkers del Carmel. This spot offers one of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Originally built as anti-aircraft bunkers during the Spanish Civil War, it has now become a favorite among locals and savvy travelers. If you're a fan of breathtaking panoramic views, this is the place to be. The 360-degree view of Barcelona is simply stunning, and it's a great spot to get a sense of the city's layout. Especially at sunset, this spot is a must-see. The sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, making it a perfect place for photography or simply to relax and take in the beauty. Next we have Parc del Laberint d'Horta. This historical garden is a hidden oasis in the bustling city. It's the oldest garden in Barcelona, dating back to the 18th century. Imagine strolling through a tranquil historical garden with a maze, perfect for a peaceful escape. The labyrinth itself is a fun challenge, and the surrounding gardens are beautifully maintained. Best to visit early morning to avoid crowds. The serenity of the early hours enhances the experience, allowing you to fully appreciate the beauty and tranquility of the park. Tucked in the city's old streets is the Carmelitas Chapel. This hidden gem is a quiet retreat from the hustle and bustle of the city, a quiet, lesser-known architectural marvel that feels like a step back in time. The intricate details and serene atmosphere make it a perfect spot for reflection and admiration, ideal for a weekday visit. You'll often find it nearly empty, giving you the chance to explore at your own pace and soak in the peaceful ambiance. For a taste of authentic Barcelona, head to El Poble Sec's tapas bars. This neighborhood is a food lover's paradise, offering a wide variety of tapas that showcase the best of Catalan cuisine. Here, you'll find local food culture at its finest. From traditional dishes to modern twists, the tapas here are a culinary delight. Don't miss out on trying the patatas bravas, croquetas, and pimientos de padrón. Evenings are best to soak in the lively atmosphere. The streets come alive with locals and tourists alike, creating a vibrant and welcoming environment. It's the perfect place to end your day with good food and great company. Relax at Parc de la Crueta del Coll. This park is a hidden gem that offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. This peaceful green space features a public pool and modern sculptures. It's a great place to unwind, whether you want to take a dip in the pool or simply relax on the grass. The perfect spot for a laid-back afternoon. Bring a picnic, a good book, or just your thoughts, and enjoy the tranquility of this beautiful park. Don't forget to share your favorite hidden spot in Barcelona in the comments and check out my other travel guides for more adventures. Another hidden gem is Montjuïc Castle. Perched on a hill, this historic fortress offers stunning views of the city and the sea. It's a great place to explore the history of Barcelona while enjoying the serene surroundings. The castle itself is a fascinating piece of history, with its origins dating back to the 17th century. The views from the top are absolutely breathtaking, making it a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts. Visiting at sunset is highly recommended. The golden hues of the setting sun cast a magical glow over the city, creating a picturesque scene that you'll remember forever. El Born is another neighborhood worth exploring. Known for its artistic vibe and vibrant atmosphere, this area is filled with narrow streets, trendy boutiques, and cozy cafes. The street art here is incredible, and you'll often find street performers adding to the lively ambiance. It's a great place to wander around, soak in the culture, and maybe even pick up a unique souvenir. Don't miss the Elborn Cultural Center, which houses fascinating historical exhibits and archaeological remains. It's a great way to learn more about the history of Barcelona while enjoying the vibrant surroundings. The Gracia neighborhood is another hidden gem. Known for its bohemian vibe and local festivals, this area is a great place to experience the local culture and enjoy some of the best food in the city. The local markets here are fantastic, offering a wide variety of fresh produce, artisanal goods, and delicious street food. It's a great place to mingle with the locals and get a taste of everyday life in Barcelona. While Parc Güell is not exactly a hidden gem, it's still worth a visit. This iconic park, designed by Antoni Gaudí, is a masterpiece of modernist architecture and offers stunning views of the city. The colorful mosaic tiles and unique architectural elements make it a photographer's dream. Be sure to explore the park's many hidden corners and enjoy the breathtaking views from the top. El Raval is another neighborhood that's often overlooked by tourists. Known for its eclectic mix of cultures and vibrant street life, this area is a great place to explore if you're looking for something different. The street art here is some of the best in the city, and the local cafes offer a great place to relax and people watch. It's a neighborhood that's full of surprises and well worth a visit. Finally, don't miss the Magic Fountain of Montjuïc. This spectacular fountain offers a mesmerizing light and music show in the evenings, making it a perfect way to end your day in Barcelona. The combination of water, light, and music creates a magical atmosphere that's sure to leave you in awe. It's a must-see attraction that adds a touch of enchantment to your Barcelona experience. As the night falls, the city lights up, offering a whole new perspective of Barcelona. The vibrant nightlife, the illuminated landmarks, and the bustling streets create a dynamic and exciting atmosphere. Whether you're looking to dance the night away at a local club, enjoy a quiet drink at a rooftop bar, or simply stroll through the lively streets, Barcelona's nightlife has something for everyone. And of course, no visit to Barcelona would be complete without indulging in a delicious coffee at a local cafe like Right Side or Espacio Mano. Make sure to add these hidden gems to your Barcelona itinerary for an unforgettable trip. Each of these spots offers a unique experience that will enrich your visit and give you a deeper appreciation of the city. As we near the end of our journey, you'll have witnessed some of the most remarkable sights Barcelona has to offer. You'll have experienced the city's energy, its passion, and its essence. And who knows, you might just find yourself falling in love with this incredible place all over again. The most incredible part of this journey, however, was not just about the places we visited, but about the people we met along the way. It's the locals who shared their stories, their laughter, and their passion for this beautiful city. It's the friendships forged, the memories created, and the experiences that will last a lifetime. The hidden gems explored in this video remind us of the beauty that lies beyond the typical tourist path. From the secret viewpoints to the secluded neighborhoods, every moment of this journey has been carefully crafted to provide an immersive experience that you'll cherish forever. Thank you for joining me on this journey to discover hidden gems of Barcelona. Please like, subscribe, and share your favorite hidden spots in the comments. Until next time, adios.